Our goal last year was to focus on efficiency. One of the things we saw was our door open time was significantly larger than the door close time. It was like 70% door open time on a CNC machine. We are Shaw Barrels. We're based in Bridgeville, Pennsylvania, just outside of Pittsburgh. We're an OEM rifle barrel manufacturer and a custom rifle and rifle barrel manufacturer.
The problems with the business right now is trying to find qualified people. We wanted to increase our production rate, so we are able to run the operation 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. My top priorities were ease of programming, ease of setup, able to train additional staff to maintain the robot. We purchased a standard bought robot and implemented it on our automation drill line. The building where the robot is at is the first line of operation. That's all the internal work on the barrel. We start with a blank material. We do drilling, reaming, and rifling in that building. And then from that area, it moves down to 2 other facilities to do the external work. Right now, the robot will load and unload our automated drill cell. We've got a table set up to service the robot as well. The table is sloped to allow the barrels to roll down into a position. There's a little air cylinder that lifts the product, lays it in the cradle. The robot will come in and pick that product up from that point and load it in the drill.
We used to be able to drill 200 to 300 parts a day on the machine that it's tending currently. Now, if it ran 24/7, we can get roughly 800 parts a day. So lights out manufacturing capability is fantastic for us.
So I saw a video of the standard bots robot from Carl. I thought it was cool, but I also had this feeling of like, this thing's taking away my work and my job, and I wasn't sure how to feel about it. So I was pro standard bots and having a robot and automation. I didn't know how it was gonna affect my working life. My life before the robot was a lot of, I have like an 8-minute window to do this, I have to go back. 8 minutes, I have to go back. It's always a cyclical thing that I have to end up back at the drill. And now with the robot, that is eliminated. I know that for a guarantee, this robot is gonna take the barrels out, it's gonna put them in here, it's gonna take new ones, put them in there, and it's just allowed the little tasks that continue to pile up and things you can't get done, they then can get done. I can make phone calls to the other shops, I can look at emails, answer them, go make sure that the reaming and rifling on the other side of the building is, up to par on our standards. So it just allows me to be free and to check in on the other people.
So I was just happened to pull the security system up. I was watching my operator. I knew he was struggling at a particular operation, so I called him on the phone, told him I would fix that, just stand back, and I corrected the situation from my living room on my laptop computer and got the robot back up and running.
The first standard bot we purchased, that's on a deep hole drilling machine, that's our first operation. The next one I'm going to purchase is going to be on a lathe. We're gonna see how many we can get in and just improve the workspace.
It's very, very easy to make any changes on the robot. It's very straightforward and easy to understand. Now that I've gotten to use one and been able to deal with the errors and how to fix them and how difficult I thought that was gonna be to how easy it actually is, I think that other users could get a hold of it pretty quick. I think that a lot of things could be changed for a positive if more robots were added.